Good day. My name is Denis Dunn. I'm from Harcourts Dunn in Durbanville. I've been a property investor for approximately 25 years. I'm in the real estate industry for approximately 21 years. Today I want to share a tax secret with you that can help you create wealth. And SARS is one of the entities that can help you create wealth as well as your tenant. Today we're talking about Article 13.6 and you can buy these units at Hawequa Estate, Haasendal. Make SARS an active role player in your property portfolio. Look at market fluctuations as your friend rather than your enemy. That's what Warren Buffett said a few years ago. So if you look at Section 13.6, this is low cost residential units. This is an incentive to encourage the private sector to revive and renew inner city areas. The criteria is the building must be owned by the taxpayer. So in other words, it must be in one entity, either in your personal name or in a company's name or in a trust name, but all the properties must be in your one entity. These properties must use solely for trade. So in other words, it can't be your holiday home. It cannot be your primary residence, and it must be let out. And you must be the first owner of these properties. It must be within an urban zone, so it must be in inner city areas, and it must be a minimum of 5 units. You can obviously buy each unit per year, 1 unit per year, year 1, year 2, year 3, until you've got 5, and then this article will kick in. Or you can buy 5, and then you will immediately have all these benefits. So let SARS and the tenant help pay Hawequa Estate in Kuilsriver, Haasendal. If you buy 5 properties of 835,000 Rand, this will equate to 4.175 million Rand. Now 55% SARS will allow you as a tax deduction to reduce your tax liability. So this means that 114,812 Rand per year that you can write off from your taxable income for 20 years. Obviously, the more properties you buy, the more that amount will go up with. As a savvy investor, using the rebate, you can build your property portfolio effectively, tax-free until retirement. You can buy extra property every year. This will create wealth. 22.8% of the purchase price is rebated over 20 years. So SARS is contributing to your pension. So just to give you the facts, a bond on 835,000 currently with the interest rate of 7.75% over 20 years will give you a down payment of 6,854 Rand. A bond over 30 years will give you a down payment of 5,982 Rand. The rental income on these properties is plus minus 5,500 Rand a month paid by a tenant. So the thing that I want to tell you here today is your tenant will help you pay for this property, and SARS will help you pay for this property. You don't need money to buy this property. You can use the bank's money. You don't need the cash. You can use the bank's money as long as you qualify for the loan amount. Positives on buying property in Hawequa Estate is the first thing is pay less tax because of the incentive from SARS in your personal capacity or your company's capacity or in a trust capacity, and the second thing is let your tenant pay the bond. You're not going to pay the bond, so your tenant pays the bond. They pay the expenses on the property. Your property will be cash flow positive in a year's time or under a year maybe. It depends on the interest rate, and you'll have great capital growth because it's in a great area. So this is how you can grow your portfolio. I've done it for many years. I'm still doing it. And SARS is helping me creating wealth for my future to retire one day. Thank you.